Active map triggers work by changing icons, polygons, and lines when a value is changed in a form. To start, we need to have a strider form with a list. Lists work best for active map triggers because they work off of a specific value. In this example, we're looking in the Strider records page and we're editing a record. This particular Strider trigger that we're going to use will be current status. In the list here we have open, in progress, or completed. These are going to be the three values that decide what our icon or polygon or line color is going to be. Still looking here in the Strider website, I'm going to go over to Forms and Reports and then Active Map Trigger. Now this only works if you are logged in as an administrator in the account, so just keep that in mind when you want to set up a map trigger. Here in this page it's showing every map trigger that's been set up for a form. If you want to add a new map trigger, just click Create New. You'd start by giving that trigger a name. I'm going to call it Work Status. Next we choose the target form. In this case it's going to be our Work Status or Work Order form. And the next option down is to choose the field within the form that the trigger is going to be working off of. So right here I'm going to choose Status. Once I choose that, it's going to auto-fill all the possible values from that list. We have completed, in progress, and open. So to begin, I'm going to start changing my icons to the choice that I want to be associated with that status. I'm going to choose a thumbtack here. I'm going to select green. In progress, I might make my thumbtack orange. And for open, I want to make it obvious that this one has not been completed. I'm going to make that a red thumbtack. This blank value down here can be left, or you can simply delete it and it will default to the yellow thumbtack icon. Here for polygon fill color, I'm going to make it match the color of my thumbtack. So I'm going to make this green and slightly transparent. Once I have my first color chosen, you can simply copy that code with Control-C and then highlight the next code and hit Control-V on your keyboard, and it will automatically assign that same code for those colors as well. I'm going to leave the rest of these options as is and move on to the next one. And move on down the line, copying and pasting my codes. After I've applied the settings that I want to the map triggers, I simply need to click Save, and it will be added to the table here. If I want to edit any of my icons or colors, simply click Edit and it'll take me back to that page, or I can delete a map trigger altogether. Now when you create map triggers, you do want to be sure to wait about 10 to 15 minutes before you try to use it on your mobile device, because it does take some time for that map trigger to sync up with the mobile app. Now going over to the MapItFast website, I have a demo project here set up that actually has some of the map triggers applied. So in this example here, anything with a yellow exclamation point is an open work order. If I was an employee and I was working out in the field, I might see that open icon and address that issue and change it, making it in progress or completed. So to do that, I'd simply click on it, go to Forms, see the open form that's attached, click Edit, And here it's showing that there is an open ticket for this area. Let's say that I am working on it, so all I want to do is change this to in progress. I'm going to change just this option here at the top, and it would be the same on the mobile device. I would just tap on that list, tap on in progress, and save that form. Once that's saved, the icon here is going to change. It's now gone from the yellow triangle to an orange thumbtack, showing that that action is now changed from open to in progress. That's a quick overview of how to set up map triggers and how they work. Thanks for watching.